Hey guys, and welcome to our channel. This is going to be a quick guide on how to deal with Flashbang Anomaly in Stalker 2 Heart of Chernobyl. So first of all, you should know when you encounter this anomaly, it will start appearing in front of you wherever you go. So the best way to deal with it is just don't look at it at all. That's actually the only thing you should know. You should not look at this anomaly. Whenever you see it, just turn your head or your cursor to the other side and you will be good to continue running. For those of you who are fans of Greek mythology, yeah, it's similar to Medusa, so just don't look at it. You will not get frozen, but it will burn you alive if you look at it and go inside of the anomaly. If you just continue running straight into it, you will get hurt, maybe burned and die. So just don't look at it, don't go towards it. When you see it, change the direction right away, and that's the best strategy to go around these anomalies. Go left and right, move by zigzagging around, and you will get away. I'm not sure if there is some artifact to it, still haven't found nothing, so please make sure to let me know down in the comments if you did find some artifact around these anomalies. Still no luck for us with this one. Make sure to like and subscribe if this video helped you, and I will see you in the next one.